Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. Today we're going to be talking about why is TikTok so popular, the rise of TikTok. Make sure you stay as you do not want to miss out on this valuable information. Also, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Every few years, a new app redefines the way we use social media. 2020 is looking like the year that TikTok takes over. The kids love it. Everybody else says it's a waste of time. But there's no denying its popularity. Like it or not, there's a great migration that happens with social media as new platforms capture the zeitgeist of culture. They offer newer and more unique ways to interact. The mass adoption of new social media platform flows through continuous cycles, from MySpace in 2005, moving to Facebook in 2008, and then to Instagram, with a brief interlude by Snapchat, in about 2014. The move to a new social media platform is always reluctant, but eventually the popularity of the platform coerces us all to join. In 2020, the mobile app TikTok is the newest contender for the throne. A mix of music, lip sync videos, and micro video content, TikTok is not an easy platform to understand at first glance. TikTok is still undiscovered territory for anyone over the age of 25. Extremely popular with Gen Z, TikTok is a glimpse into what it means to be growing up in today's hyper-connected world. The vast majority of users on Facebook today at age 40 plus, while Instagram is more popular with users aged 20 to 40. Who invented TikTok? In 2014, a social media app named Musical.ly, pronounced Musical.ly, became incredibly popular with the 13 to 18-year-old demographic. The main purpose of Musical.ly was user-generated videos that combined popular songs with videos from the users, often called musers. The most popular use of the app was to create videos where they were lip-syncing and dancing. By mid-2017, the Musical.ly app had over 200 million users. In 2016, Chinese app developer ByteDance created an app named Douyin, a rival to Musical.ly. Launched initially only in China, the app was renamed and rebranded to TikTok for better international appeal. Within a year, the TikTok app had more than 100 million users, and the popularity of lip-sync videos continued to rise. In late 2017, Musical.ly was acquired by ByteDance for a fee of $800 million. In 2018, ByteDance consolidated the user accounts of Musical.ly and TikTok, merging the two apps into one under the name TikTok. With this unified brand and user base, the app began to increase in popularity very quickly. TikTok became the most downloaded app on the Apple App Store in early 2018, surpassing Instagram, WhatsApp, and YouTube. As of July 2019, TikTok has over 500 million total installs on the Google Play Store. Who uses TikTok? TikTok is named Douyin in China and currently has a user base of over 250 million users. In the rest of the world, the app is called TikTok and is available in 154 countries worldwide. Currently, 40% of TikTok users are located outside China. India has a particularly large user base and accounts for approximately 25% of app downloads to date. As of March 2019, the user base of TikTok in the US was approximately 14 million. The 2019 Internet Trends Report revealed that China internet users spent more than 600 million hours per day watching short videos. What's the point of TikTok? When a new app emerges on the market and starts to grow in popularity, it can be hard to understand why it's needed. Instagram, for several years, seemed like a simple photo filter app, but slowly emerged into a social platform and branding tool. Snapchat stories initially seemed ridiculous, but as they grew in popularity, Instagram essentially stole the idea, and Instagram stories now dominate the social network. Twitter, with its confusing hashtag system, eventually became a new way to track news and current events. When it comes to TikTok, there's a vast market of people looking for micro-entertainment and distraction for a few minutes during the day. If a video is interesting or appealing, it's reshared quickly by the algorithm on the For You page and gains millions of views. What is so special about TikTok? When you hear that an app grows so rapidly, it becomes a staple of internet culture and social interaction for Gen Z in just a few years into its existence, a logical question comes to mind. What is it that makes TikTok so successful? We've identified some of the key reasons behind TikTok's tremendous growth and popularity. Among these are, number 1, extremely easy onboarding. When a new user opens an app, there's no usual sign-up or tutorial for him. The video starts playing one by one immediately, and so the audience is hooked by the app's content right away. Moreover, the addictive nature of the content makes it so easy for a vast majority of people to surrender and just keep watching random TikTok videos for hours long. Number 2. Localized content. Another important factor fostering TikTok's attractiveness and popularity is its focus on localized content. Despite it being a global app, there are often local challenges, contests, and captures on local trends. One example of such content is 1 Million Audition, that was launched separately across several countries. The contests usually go like this. Participants are given a theme to create content, and then the award goes to the top video creators. Not only do such contests lead to the creation of a vast number of local viral content, but also help creators gain followers and recognition, thus anchoring them to the platform. TikTok also provides for personalized recommendations that both help video creators with ideas and ensure that users are always updated on the most trending videos. Number 3. Sophisticated AI technology. TikTok has never revealed its core AI algorithm to the public, but the gist is easy to grasp even by just using the app. TikTok's main goal is to get your attention and interest and make you want to watch more and more videos. Thus, the more you like the content, keep watching instead of swiping, the more you'll see it. Like watching cats playing in the yard, chances are your feed will have enough similar videos to please you. Like watching funny dancing moves? Be sure to find a plethora of them in your feed. Number 4. Ease of use. TikTok has simplified content creation, sharing, and viewing as much as possible and managed to take it to the next level. As a user, all you have to do is record a piece of your daily routine or some funny dance move, and it's instantly posted. Thus, both video creation and viewing are extremely plain and intuitive. Literally, minimal effort is needed to use the app. Number 5. Celebrity endorsements. And that's a huge one. When big names show their interest in something, that something always sees a surge in popularity among the fans. TikTok is liked and used by many celebrities such as Ariana Grande, Ed Sheeran, Dua Lipa, Nicki Minaj, and Katy Perry, to name a few. TikTok has also concluded paid partnerships with several influencers across various regions to help promote TikTok to locals. One example of how celebrities can rapidly spur interest and engage vast audiences is when Jimmy Fallon urged his viewers to take on the #Tumbleweed challenge and share videos of themselves rolling like a tumbleweed. The challenge quickly went viral and managed to gather more than 8,000 entries and over 10 million engagements within just a week. Celebrity partnerships have become a key component of successful geographical expansion for TikTok. When launching in Thailand, the app collaborated with Kayaki Salader, a local social media celebrity. In Japan, TikTok established partnership with celebrities like Kinoshita Yukina, Wannabe Naomi, and Kiari Pamyu. The benefit of TikTok is twofold. Not only do celebrities post viral content on TikTok, but also promote the app on other social media platforms. Summary. Summing it up, TikTok is an entertaining, addictive app that managed to win over the hearts of the youth, and not only the youth, and reached over 2 billion downloads in a short period of time. What does the story of TikTok teach both existing and potential entrepreneurs? Even if there are strong incumbents on the market, example, YouTube and Twitch in video and game streaming, there is always a possibility to create a new solution that will cater to some specific needs of the audience. TikTok was built for Gen Zs with their needs and trends in mind and managed to conquer that sector of the population that keeps becoming more and more impactful. At Ideologic, we believe that the presence of strong leaders should not prevent entrepreneurs from thinking of new creative solutions. Who knows, maybe your innovative approach to some need will help you become a new TikTok. New ideas make differences every single day. Currently, there is no direct way for TikTok users to capitalize on the popularity through the app. As the volume of views is incredibly high, most users will ask their audience to visit other platforms or websites to monetize. TikTok allows each account to share their Instagram and YouTube links in their profile, which makes it easier to gain crossover followers. The main goal of brands on TikTok is engagement and attracting a new audience. While legacy brands do this well, it's not clear whether smaller companies can draw the same following on the platform. The evolution of mobile marketing on platforms such as Instagram and Snapchat has shown that anything is possible with the right audience. For anyone with a business or personal brand that produces video content, TikTok is worth joining and experimenting with. As the app grows in reach, its ability to advertise and promote will likely become a part of the ecosystem. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there, and thank you for watching.